Healthy soil is important for growing strong, vigorous plants that resist pests and diseases and produce abundantly. Whether you are starting with fresh, quality soil or gardening in your native topsoil, improving your soil is a continuing process. Soil is alive and made up of many parts, including mineral particles, water, organic matter, air, and microorganisms. The balance between these parts is what needs to be sustained for a healthy garden. Here are 7 ways you can improve garden soil. 1. Add compost. Compost is decomposed organic matter, and it is the best thing you use to improve the health of garden soil. Working compost into soil will feed the soil, improve soil structure, enable soil to retain nutrients, promote good drainage while also absorbing water deep in the soil, keep soil loose so air can reach plant roots, helps maintain a neutral pH, and protects plants from many common garden diseases. 2. Get a soil test. Adding compost is not a once-and-done type deal. It is part of a continuous process to renew nutrients in the soil. A basic soil test gives readings for soil pH, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. A soil test will also let you know the level of organic matter, lead content, and give you recommendations for adjusting these levels. 3. Mulch the soil surface. Mulch is a must for healthy garden soil and strong plants. It stimulates natural growing conditions, retains soil moisture, keeps soil cool, and prevents weed growth. The mulch will slowly decompose and add organic matter to the soil to increase fertility. 4. Prevent soil compaction. Soil that is hard and compacted will not allow water and nutrients to soak in, and the soil becomes barren and dry. Tiny plant roots cannot spread out in search of moisture and nutrients, so plants dehydrate and starve. Compact soil also impedes microbiological activity necessary to convert organic matter to nutrients that feed the plants. Prevent soil compaction by staying off of it. Walking on the soil compresses it and prevents water, air, and oxygen from reaching the roots. 5. Rotate crops. Each year, planting crops in different garden locations every year prevents the depletion of nutrients and interrupts the cycles of pests and diseases so the garden soil stays healthy. Follow the 3-year rule for all garden crops. Rotate crops each year so that the same family of vegetables is not grown in the same place for 3 years. That gives enough time for soil pathogens to die. 6. Grow cover crops. Cover crops are grown primarily to benefit the soil, but some of them can serve double duty by providing food too. Planting a cover crop near the end of the garden season and allowing it to remain in the garden during the winter provides multiple benefits for the garden. Crops like kale, radishes, turnips, and other broadleaf greens are ideal for use as cover crops and food sources during the winter. 7. Add aged animal manure. Add aged animal manure to improve garden soil health and fertility. Fresh animal manure is too hot and will burn plants and may harbor pathogens harmful to humans. So allow the manure to age for several months to a year before adding to garden soil. Chicken, cow, rabbit, horse, goat, sheep, and bat droppings are rich in nutrients and will improve soil structure when incorporated into garden soil. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.